Well guys, today I thought we'd just do a very quick video on scrubbing this bouncy castle. It's a brave age. I think this is an early 90s example. Don't think it's been cleaned in a very long time, as you can see. Very grimy and dirty. So we are going to have a go at trying to get it clean. To do the cleaning, we're going to use some floor cleaner and some boiling hot water with a mop. That'll just loosen the dirt, get it broken off nicely. And then once we've done that, we'll give it a mop down with just some fresh hot water. Once we've done that, we'll then spray it with this Mould Astonish mildew remover, and we'll work it in with a bristle brush. Once that's done, we'll mop it down with some clear hot water. Then we'll buff it off with some dry microfiber cloths, and hopefully we'll have a nice result. So here we have my assistant giving the bouncy castle a quick scrub down with the floor cleaner and hot water solution. She's doing a very good job. Okay, so we've sprayed the bouncy castle with the mould and mildew spray, let it soak in and given it a good scrub. Just to give you a comparison, this is where it's done its work and this is where we haven't sprayed it. You can see the runs as it's ran down the vinyl. So it just goes to show how effective this is. It takes the real soiled black tarnish off the material. So we're going to go over the rest of the bouncy castle with the mould and mildew spray, scrub it in with the bristle brush, then hose it down with some clear fresh water, and then we'll show you the result. So here's the end result. Now bear in mind this castle was made in the mid-90s, so it's not going to be perfect, but as you can see we've lost all that haze patina, all the mildew staining off the white. The reds are real popping and the blues real tight and crisp. All in all, a real good result on such an old castle.